Let's start estimation. Estimation is the process of calculating the quantities and cost of metals, labor, equipment and other items required to complete a construction project, total construction project. Okay. As an example, if we want to construct a 1 meter cube brickwork, we have to calculate number of bricks required, cement, sand, labor cost and total cost. This total calculations is called estimation. Now, what is the purpose of estimation? The purpose is to know the problem cost of the project, to prepare a budget, to arrange materials and labor tools, to prepare tender documents, to get technical sanction from authority, to plan time and resources, to avoid extra expenditure during construction. Now, the data required for estimation. We need some data for estimation. So, what's are there? The following data are required is for drawing, plan, elevation section for drawing. Next, for specification, types of materials, quality of materials, workmanship. For rates, material rates, labor rates, transport rates. Okay. Next, for standard data, metal constant, labor constant. Okay. Next, for schedule of rates provided by PWD or CPWD, or for site conditions, soil condition, water table, location, transport facility. All this data is required for estimation. Okay, it's clear now? Okay. Then, what are the factors to be considered in estimation? First, location of site, availability of materials, availability of labor, transportation, market rate, fluctuation, weather condition, site condition, time of completion, quality of work, contractor's profit usually 10%, contingencies usually 3 to 5%. Okay, these are the factors to be considered in estimation. Now next, different types of estimations. So we have different types of estimation like preliminary estimation. The purpose is approximate cost. For detailed estimation, the purpose is exact cost. For revised estimation, where cost may be increased, at that time we prefer revised calculation and revised estimation. Supplementary estimation, additional work, annual repair estimation for maintenance, special repair estimation for major repair, and addition and alternative estimation is for modification of work. Okay, these are the different types of estimations. Now, approximate estimation. Its objective is to find the approximate cost of the project quickly without detailed drawing. The purposes are feasibility study, budget approval, administrative approval, compare different alternatives. And the methods of approximate estimations are plinth area method, cubical content method, unit based method, approximate quantity method, service unit method. Okay. The plinth area method is cost equal to plinth area into rate per meter square used for building. Cubical content method is cost equal to building volume into rate per meter cube. It is more accurate than plinth area method. Then unit based method, cost based on per unit. As an example, hospital per bed cost, school per student cost, road per kilometer cost, bridge per meter length. Okay. Then approximate quantity method, total wall length into rate per meter. Okay, then service unit method based on service unit. Service unit means water supply per connection, sewer per manhole, electrification per point. Sorry. Now the summary. The estimation is the quantity plus cost calculation. Its purpose, budget, tender, approval, the data required, drawing, rates, SOR, specification. The factors are site, labor, transport, profit, and the types of estimations are preliminary, detailed, revised, repair, and the approximate methods are plinth area, cubicle, unit, and surface. Okay.